Welcome to our guide on transferring funds between OWealth and other payment apps in 2025. Let's explore how to make your transaction seamless. First, ensure your OWealth account is set up properly. You'll want to have your banking details ready. Next, link your favorite payment apps to your OWealth account for easy transfers. To initiate a transfer, simply open the OWealth app and select the transfer option. It's as easy as a few taps. Utilize OWealth's in-app features for a smoother transfer experience, from setting reminders to checking your transaction history. Always prioritize security. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication and monitor your transactions regularly. Be mindful of transfer fees. Research and compare them to minimize costs when transferring funds. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation. Always check your transaction history to ensure everything is correct. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting guide within the app or contact customer support for help. Thank you for watching. Remember these best practices for all your future fund transfers with OWealth and other apps.